Another year and another Christmas tradition. This time Andrew Gale's PocketMoneyTronics.co.uk, Pico Adapter boards and RGB LED Christmas trees. Great fun. So last year I received a Pico 360 from Andrew, just randomly in the post. Thank you, Andrew. And put your Pico in the centre, croc clip connections, and you can make lots of cool things happen. Good fun, nice kit to solder, easy to solder well. Really nice to solder. It just sort of worked. There was no resistance when I was doing it. Electronics joke. It just sort of fits together nice and easy, and it's good for a beginner to learn a bit of soldering. The year before that, Andrew sent me this, an SMD Christmas tree, and I soldered this myself with a USB soldering iron, one of those £5 ones that I like. Great little thing to solder. If you're just starting out an SMD, this is a good way to have a go. Also, USB soldering iron for this is amazing. So precise. And now this year, 2021, at least last time I checked it was, Andrew has sent me this. An adapter board for the Pico, in this case got a Pico LiPo on there because it's pin compatible, to control two Christmas trees at once. And I've got an RGB NeoPixel Christmas tree and an SMD Christmas tree. There you go. So the code for this is something that Andrew provided on the website. I linked it, I tweaked it slightly. The SMD Christmas tree is just 6 LEDs. Is it 5? 5. I'll learn how to count one day. And all I did was just say turn LEDs on, turn LEDs off. Easy peasy. I'm going to go to the web page for this, and you can have a look. So there's the adapter board, there's Pico 360, and I've got the adapter board loaded up in Etsy. £3. And I have to say, it was a joyful soldering experience. Nice and easy. The components dropped into place. There was a little bit of friction when you put them in, which is good, because it means that you're going to get 90-degree angles. All fit into place really well. Soldered it up with my Pinesil soldering iron. Brilliant. Done and dusted. Took me about 15 minutes. Now I can solder and I enjoy soldering, so it's a bit quicker for me, so I've done it quite a few times. If you're new to soldering, good kit to get, because you can practice your soldering with this, and it's £3. Pico 360 is another good kit to solder. Let's go back to that web page and let's have a look-see to see where that is on here. There it is. Pico 360, and he's selling a limited number of kits. £3. That's nothing. If you order now, it's between the 16th and 21st for delivery, and today is December the 9th. About a week for delivery. But both of these kits are great for those starting out with soldering, and those who want to play around with a Pico. So talking of playing around with a Pico, what did I do? Well, on here we have some code. There's a link. Where is it now? It's on the go back one. There's the adapter board, and it's on the core electronics page. And for some reason, internet is really slow today. So it's on here. I just changed the number of LEDs and the pin number, which are these two bits here, to match what Andrew said. But I also added a little bit of my own, because the SMD Christmas tree didn't have any code for it on the page. I want it to light up, so I quite like having both trees on at the same time. So I went into Phony, the Python editor for Pico, and I added my own little zhuzhi. Is that a word? Oh no. Anyway, here's my SMD Christmas tree code. I've got pins 5, 6, 13, 19 and 26. I just named the variables or the objects as that. Then said that they're all outputs. Then in the code, I wrapped it all up in a while true and just use a for loop here to turn each one of the pins on high and low. Then it goes through the NeoPixel bit. That's it. Super simple. All the code was written for me, apart from the bit that's highlighted in blue right now. And just calling the objects at the start here. Great fun. So yeah, £3. If you want to buy both of them, £6. It's worth it, and it really is pocket money electronics. So Andrew, thanks for sending out, mate. I've had some fun with this today. Anyway, cheers.